Hi friends, I'm glad you're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're just going to see how to add your YouTube channel link to the bio on your Pinterest account. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to add your YouTube channel link to your profile on the Pinterest account, just going to show in this video. It's so simple. Just follow the step-by-step tutorial. So first, I just going to copy my YouTube channel URL. So go to the YouTube channel, click on the three dot option, click on the share option and just copy the link. After copy the link of your channel, just go to the Pinterest again. Now, if you are just using a normal account, click on your profile option on the top left. And if you are using a business account, click on the three dot option on the top. Now click on the setting option. After click on the setting option, you just need to click on the edit profile. Click on the edit profile. Now here you have to swipe down and you can see option called website. Add your link to the device traffic to your site. So just long press it and just paste the link here and click on the done option. Now just go to your profile and you can see it shows youtube.com. Just click on this so it directly goes to your YouTube channel link. So this is the way that you can just easily copy and paste your link to the your bio of your Pinterest account on your Pinterest app. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful and most beautiful day.